We divide 744 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 14. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 744 divided by 6 is 124. So this much for today and thanks for watching.